like it's been forever that you've been gone.
She said some days I feel like shit, some days I wanna quit, just be normal for a bit. I don't understand why you have to always be gone. I get along, but the trips always feel so long. I find myself trying to stay by the phone, cause your voice always helps me to not feel so alone. But I feel like an idiot